you at a winery before a meeting.
When you put it that way, it sounds horrible. No, it is new. I'm at a winery, it's noon. It's not before noon. It's totally okay to be at a winery after noon. Yeah, it is.
5 days ago, it would have been...
It's 12:05.
Okay, well, 5 days ago, it would have been 11:05.
Ah, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. You gotta shake shit up. You gotta work a little fucking harder. Go take a look at some new office space. I'm gonna put my mask on because we're moving out of our Toronto office. Well, it's still Toronto, just don't need it anymore.
What do you think of shared office space?
Oh, I like shared office spaces. Always been, we had that one up in Bonn for a long time. That was really good. Jesus.
How you liking your office?
Oh man, I love my closet.
Yeah.
Closet's awesome. Think I can set up my cameras and my mic, and I mean my monitor will be about right here.
$8,000 a month. You can get this closet.
No, I think it's on sale right now for $7,200. Yeah, no, dude, it's a hell of a closet. The cost of real estate in Toronto, woo, crazy. Yeah, I'd have to. You think I'd have to shove my head? Oh yeah, look at that! Look at that! I can almost. Nope. It's stretching all the way. Nope, not gonna happen. Video is less expensive to put out there, and it has higher engagement.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, look, someone goes to a landing page, all right? They look for a video first before they're going to read any text or click on any pictures.
Mm-hmm.
They're lazy. They just want to consume. They want to just tell me, show me. Don't just tell me. Show me why, you guys do a great job of jacking up Jeeps. I mean, look, you can do a video from time to time, and then you can do, some images in between, right? And think of you want to create that loop. So like, let's say you do a video on the jacked up Jeep, okay? But then you might do 16 images about the jacked up Jeep, but the call to action is go to our YouTube channel and watch the video. So then you're completing this loop of content, and you want to kind of keep them in this cycle of content. So now they go to your YouTube channel. Now they watch the video of the jacked up Jeep of the image they just saw, and they're like, oh, there's 3 other videos here, and they start watching the other videos.
Yeah.
So I think there's 2 different types of managers. I feel like there are transactional managers, then there are growth managers. Okay. A transaction manager manages the now, what's happening right in front of them at that given moment, okay? And then a growth manager is someone that you hired with the intent to actually grow whatever that department is. So I feel like every department usually should have those 2 types of personalities. So, and both those managers need to have some level of dealings or contact with the customer, so that their approach to growth or their approach to the transaction is more customer-centric. They have more to do with marketing. Yeah. Like, they would definitely have way more of a say, because they are looking to grow through both process and operation. Process, marketing, and operations.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then okay, keep going. Well, growth manager... I think a growth manager would ensure that all the data is inputted correctly into the system.
Yeah, and plan more than today.
Yes. So like the hot list is there. Why is Mr. Johnson on the hot list but not in the CRM? Mm-hmm. Like, what happened there?
Yeah.
And
why did I say he was going to come in Tuesday at 1 o'clock and it's Thursday at 3 and we haven't called him back?
Appointments.
Yeah.
I think appointments is definitely going to be something that has to do more with the growth manager because we want the transaction manager to deal with that, what has to happen at this moment. What do you think?
That was way better.
Does that look like way better or what?
Do you have a camera?
Huh?
Why does it look so clear?
I actually got my lighting and everything set up correctly now. Like I got the camera dialed in. I got everything dialed in.
It looks like fucking super HD though.
1080p at 60 frames.
You're using the same one from before?
Yeah, but I just have everything jacked up. Like I have 1080p 60 frames. I got the exposure and everything set up correctly. I got the lighting and everything correct. Like
Black background, like that looks cool.
does that look cool?
Is that the chair you ordered?
And then I got her playing in the background. Why do I podcast? Podcast because I enjoy it. I enjoy talking to people. I enjoy creating content. I enjoy the idea of putting that content out there and one person maybe gets some value out of it and they're able to go take action on something that they learned or picked up. Like I think a podcast, like I just feel like a podcast, I hit so many birds with one stone. You know what I mean? Like it's a challenge. So you know me, I always like a good challenge, right? I'm always trying to step up my game as far as my efforts. I love talking to people. You know that. I like doing that. I like directing the conversation, knowing who the audience is listening to it. So it's like I almost kind of feel like a conductor sometimes when I'm in the middle of an interview where it's like I'm conducting the conversation in a way that my audience can get value out of it. And I don't think I'm super great at it. I really don't. But I think I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Every single, it's like practice. I feel like I'm 260 episodes, 260 podcasts into it, and I still feel like an amateur. You know what I mean? Like I feel like I probably got another 300 podcasts to say I know how to really effectively conduct a conversation or an interview, where I feel like I know who the end user is, I know who's going to listen to it, and I know how I can bring them value by asking what questions at what point, what time do you push, what time do you pull back. Like it's a challenge, it's fun. You want to know how I know you drive a Ford? Because you ordered a margarita.